Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to delete all Google activities at once. Okay, you can delete all Google activities at one click. So I will show in my Android phone. So guys, let's start with the video. If you're using laptop, desktop, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here I'm on my Chrome browser. Just log in with your account. So if you have login more than one account in your phone, that every account has a different activities. So there is a two type of activities. One is a browsing history. You can easily clear your browsing history if you click on history. Here you can see there is a history and you can easily clear browsing history from here. You can select all time range, and this is advanced mode. You can use the basic mode. It's, here, select the time range. If you want to delete only last 1 hours, 24 hours, or only 7 days, you can select, or you can select all time on just clear data. In advanced you will see two option more, like you can also delete your password, autofill data, and everything. Just click select the date. Okay, select the time range and you can delete from here. So this is browsing history only. So now we are going to talk about the Google activities. So just click on this my activities google.com. So okay, this is not working. So come back in Google, log in with the email ID and search here. Okay, this is your yeah, email activities. Okay, Google account activities. So every email has different activities. So if you can delete from here also, if you have lots of history or suggestion here, you can't delete one by one because this is lot of, you can delete one by one if you have few history only. But if I will show you how you can delete you. So search here my Google activities after login your account, then this link will be open. Just click on it. Now you have to check email ID, or here you can see there is a three type of activities. First, web and app activities. Whatever you use app from Play Store, it will be show here. Your location history also and YouTube history also. So you can on off history by clicking on it and just off it. So if you want to delete it, just click on delete here. Select the time range. Means if you want to delete only last hours, last day, all time, you can select all time. Now you will see the two history here, Google Ads and search. So just select all and just click on next and delete it. So it is delete, just got it. Now come to the Google, and if you see the suggestion or searches, here you can see the suggestion or history has been deleted. So that is how you can delete all activities. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.